Panchuk Alexander Mikhailovich, born in the city of Dnepropetrovsk. Date of birth, August 16th, 1986. That means the person was born on the 16th day of August in the year 1986. He served as a soldier in the 66th Motorized Brigade, which is a military unit known for its mobility and mechanized operations. I used to hang out with guys like that as well, spending time together and sharing experiences. Yeah, those were memorable times. One of us found 500 rubles there, and the same guy washed a couple of meters away. We walked around, he climbed into the tank. Damn, a grenade, the pin is still in. What the hell do we do? Here, Sanya, put it in your bag. I said, I'll put it in my bag, we'll call the cops now, I'll keep it in my bag. He says, no, go 15 meters away from us. We went and called the cops, 3 patrol cars showed up. One of the cops comes over, like, wow, you guys are sealing this off. Can I take a picture with the grenade? Get out of here, damn it. Then the bomb squad showed up, checked it out. Turns out there wasn't even a fuse. How are we supposed to know that? What if it really was a live grenade? Well, that's it, guys, you can go. 2 guys also caught me near the market, the ones who brought me in by car. I said, guys, come on, don't waste my time or yours. They came in too, like, no. I walked out calmly, even though the duty officer was standing there. They're running around over there. No. They're minding their own business. I just walked past the duty officer. Damn. And those guys are running around doing something. I said, guys, at least buy me some water, a sip. I want to give 20, take a shot of 100 grams. Let's go. Went to the store, bought some water. Here you go, take it to the garden. Get out of here. I wasn't afraid of them. I'm sleeping in the landing. I hear my aunt talking. There was a 5-story house nearby. You are falling. What are you doing? I looked out from the bushes and saw Vusik standing there saying to the boy, hey, 2 meters away from them and I'm going for a walk. Chap. There was this military guy, Ukrainian. Look, he's all in a balaclava and everything. Look at those guys. Hey, move along. God forbid you stay here. I kept going just to get away in one piece. I wasn't afraid of them, man. But this time, well, the last time I came to the draft office, to the TCC, brought 2 bullets I found in a trash bin because I'm a street guy. I dig through bins. I brought them with the bullets. I just came to hand over the bullets and then go to the beach for a swim. That's it, I had this little bowl there. I raked up the leaves with a small rake. I came, got myself a little bottle, set it down, put a watermelon next to it, just took out my cigarettes, and my ashtray was right there on a bush. They told me, we'll dispose of them, go relax off the premises. They didn't let us out, they just brought us into that barracks, where there was a fence and barbed wire everywhere. A slip of paper fit, even though I have a chest deformity. They brought the mountain guys to the training camp. They called out the last names, said, alright guys, step forward. They put us on a bus and said, alright guys, make yourselves comfortable. This is your bus, let's go. They brought us in and said, alright guys, settle in, here are your beds and everything. We started settling in. Some were brought somewhere for training to some kind of training camp. But the 4 of us were taken to another place, to the training ground. We were just sighting in the rifles. We went to the house, quickly loaded up there. 4 magazines. Grabbed our backpacks, tap with the herring in that can. Grabbed the cans and headed out. Showed the senior guy right here. In the ditch there's water. There's a little stream. That's yours. Your brothers in arms are further on. Your brothers in arms are there. In the ravine, basically. I had a bite to eat, then lay down. Everyone says I'm always writing something down, as usual. I'm sitting there like this in my underwear. Then thud. I say, what the hell is banging over there? What the hell is that? Well, no one paid attention to it. Then we hear boom. Yeah, right away. Well, he may be younger in years, but he has more experience. Renata? And I was already leaning on the sleeping bag. Baba! And I'm in space. Yeah. So Seryoja started shooting back. Also, fuck, just sitting there puking, fuck. That's how he was, fuck. Well, I don't know what to do, we're gonna get killed. Confess to everything, oh. He's yelling, fuck, smacks him in the face. Here you go, nobody's going to kill anyone, oh. Well, anyway, he laid down. I thought he was freaking out too. Foam, hearts, mounting foam. Then someone, fuck, grabbed the radio and reports that we're being bombed. Fuck, we're fucked. Hold on, everything will be fine. Fine, fuck. Now we're making our way through with our helicopters, making our way through. So I'll take a look at something there. There was just such a BTR before us. I didn't even take cover or anything, just looking, wondering what it was. Some kind of small ball. And Seryoja noticed that a shadow passed by. There's someone there. Seryoja pulled out a stick of sausage and said he was going to eat. Fuck, eat what? In this situation, eat what? No, while he was coming back, I had the stick of sausage in my hands. Tick, tick. We crawl out. We crawled out like this, right here on the right. There, about 7 to 8 meters away, there's also a small dugout, but it's not great, can't use it. And about 4 to 5 meters away is our SP post. Let me grab a grenade and throw it like this. If anything happens, we grab our stuff and run right away. Where to? Where? To the right, to the left? They say, over there, follow me, to the right. Well, further on is, of course, our position. Well, there was also a destroyed dugout there, as I mentioned. I thought I could at least wait it out there. I grabbed a grenade. I bolted across the field like a rabbit, damn it, took off, and he with those backpacks, damn, like an old lady at the market, just trudging along. Well, yeah, damn, I guess so. I'm getting ready, I hear drones, and there was this thicket growing there. I climbed into the thicket here, but I had nothing to smoke. I just had a bit of tobacco left, and a newspaper. A wrapper from canned stew, so I just sit down. So I could see everything from there, hiding in the bushes like Sterling. I see, the enemy is coming. They're getting closer. I'm sitting there thinking, what am I going to do next? Well, that's it. Drones are flying around. I'm all curled up, finished off half a stick of sausage. I'm thinking, damn, I really want to smoke. What should I do? They're all coming over there too. Come here, again from another direction. I came over, I'm surrendering everything. Come in. They checked me. Is he really surrendering? Yes, he's really surrendering. Alive because I made my final decision. Even though I wasn't planning to come here, I thought, I'll just study for these couple of days, get my 17 hryvnias, go back to civilian life, and buy myself a Volga. The bad thing is, your guys could have said, yeah, come here, come on, and then your top commanders would do the same thing. I don't know how our guys are. I don't have any documents, nothing like that. Who am I anyway? They'll say, you just brought in some random guy? Like who? Like some cuckoo, they just dropped off a random egg? We should be mad, not at our neighbors, but instead at our damn TCC, damn it.
Как? У мене ні документів, нічого такого. Хто я взагалі? Скажу, ти когось, блін, левого, блін, підкинули, этого, как його, как кукушка какая-то, блін, взяли яйцо подкинули левое. Бийте морду не нашим сусідям, а нашим блядським ТЦК, сука.